Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb. Guys, today I want to talk about all the uses you can use mineral oil for. What's happening is, this is a case for my Osmo Pocket. My nephew wants to start making YouTube videos, and I'm going to give my camera my case. It's got so much tape residue from stuff I was experimenting with, and I'm using mineral oil to remove the residue on the plastic on the vinyl. That's one of the uses of mineral oil. But mineral oil is very inexpensive. It's baby oil. It's practically non-toxic. You can put it on cutting boards. It's like, I can, off the top of my head this morning, I thought like a dozen different things you can use mineral oil for. And it's just so useful. You can put it on, like I said, cutting boards to preserve it, or wooden kitchen utensils to keep it from cracking. You can use it on stainless steel as a stainless steel polish. You can use it on other metal appliances or on your tools to keep them looking good. You can put on leather. If you have old leather, if you put too much of the mineral oil, it makes it too dark. But just a real light coating, this has been on for a couple of years. It's coming off though. You can put it on locks. If your car doors or other parts of your house, your locks are freezing up on you, you can squirt some mineral oil in there. You can put it on scissors, and like I have the Flowbee I use to cut my hair. I ran out of the oil to use to lubricate it, and that's fine. You can use that. You should probably be a little more thin, but it works pretty good on scissors. It's a good rust preventive. You can put it on your tools to keep the rust off. On a lot of plastic and rubber gasket stuff, you can put it on there. You can put it on, like if you have labels on not just plastic but on glass and things, it helps remove the stickers. You can put on garden tools to keep it from rusting, but also, even more important, like if you're digging with stuff, if you put the oil on there, it keeps like clay and the soil from sticking to your tools, so it makes it easier to work with. You can, well, if you got a drill press and you don't have any cutting oil, you can use the mineral oil to help your drill. If you're got tap and die and you're cutting some threads, you can use mineral oil. I have used it like in drilling holes to put wood in something that I think it's going to split, and I want the screw to go in easy. Years ago you'd use soap or something to help it lubricate it, but if you have mineral oil, you can use that. I have even used it like on my ceiling fans, even though a lot of ceiling fans nowadays, they're sealed, so you can't really do much with them, but there's some parts inside you can lubricate. You can actually just put the mineral oil on the shaft and have it drip down into parts on the inside and help it from squeaking. Sometimes there's parts in there you're just rubbing. It's not the motor. So like off the top of my head, I was thinking there's about a dozen different things. You can also use it in the garden. I haven't experimented with it enough though. I could do some research. But I remember people doing different things in the garden with mineral oil to get rid of pests. And there's also medical things you can do with it because it's fairly non-toxic. Now nothing, everything you put in your body is a foreign substance, so I'm not saying you should be using it for medicine, but I am aware of people using it for different things. It's if you got chafe, you're out there, it's summertime and you got jeans on and you're getting a lot of raw parts, you can put some mineral oil and smooth things out a bit. You can see it's all coming off. It just takes a little work, and it won't look so bad when I give it to my nephew. He's going to be making some YouTube videos Passing on the obsession and the addiction to making YouTube videos to members of my family. So if they can continue to make videos before the artificial intelligent robots take over. Right, guys, you can see us working. I just got a little bit left. Go get some mineral oil. By the way, these are pretty cool little bottles. You can get them on Amazon. You can actually get them on Walmart too. They're real handy. Almost done. All right, guys, been rambling too much. Hope this helped. And get yourself some mineral oil really inexpensively for a couple bucks. You can use it for so many different things, non-toxic. You'll be surprised. All right, take care. Oh, by the way, I got a whole playlist of other household chemical formulas you can use for so many different things on my channel. Check it out.